Do you want to create consistent characters for free? In this video, I'm going to show you 2 tools I use to create consistent characters without spending a dime. These tools are very easy to use and can help you save a lot of money when starting your content creation journey. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Let's jump right in. Let's use ChatGPT to generate our prompt. Open your ChatGPT account or create one by clicking the link in the description. Once it's open, click here and write your request. If you want to use this instruction, you can find it in the comments below. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 5 prompts with different actions and backgrounds. Copy and paste the description without the bolded titles on a Word document or a Canva sheet. For each prompt, keep everything the same and change only the background description and the action. I didn't like the style and size description provided by ChatGPT, so I changed it to 3D Pixar style, 16:9 ratio. The first tool we're going to use is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is one of the most popular image generator AIs. To open Leonardo AI, click the link in the description below and log in using your Google account. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to this page. Go to image generation and then copy and paste your prompt here, or click on the bar to start writing your prompt. Once you're done, click generate. In the free version of Leonardo AI, you can no longer choose the number of generations, so it will generate 4 images every time you click generate. To view the image, simply click on it. You can use the 2 arrows to navigate through the other generated images. If you like one of the images generated, click here and then click on copy seed. This notification will confirm that the seed has been copied. Scroll down on the left panel, click on Advanced Settings, and then paste the seed number here. This button will automatically switch on. Copy your second prompt, paste it into the typing bar, and then click Generate. As you can see, it has generated images of our character eating cotton candy in a bustling amusement park. Let's try different actions. Ethan building a sandcastle at the beach. Ethan raising his hand to answer a question in the classroom. Ethan in a cozy living room playing video games with a competitive expression. You can edit the image by clicking here, but keep in mind that it's going to cost you 24 tokens. In the free plan, you have 150 tokens per day, so please take that into consideration. If you need more tokens, you can upgrade to a different plan. Paid plans start at just $10 per month. To download the image you like, select the image and click here. You can also open the image, choose the one you like, and click here to download. The second tool we're going to use is Canva. To open Canva, click the link in the description or search for it in your browser. Once it's open, it will take you to this page. Click on Create a Design and select Whiteboard. In the left panel, click on Apps and then type Magic Media in the search bar. Click here to open Magic Media. As you can see, you have different styles and sizes to choose from. To explore all the available styles, click here. For better results with this tool, remove the details about the background and add a seed number at the end of your prompt. You can choose any number you want, but please keep the same number across all the scenes. Copy the first prompt, go to Canva and paste it here. Scroll down, select the style you want, and then click here to generate. I didn't use their styles because I prefer providing my own style to maximize accuracy, but if you find one that suits your needs, feel free to use it. Here are the images generated. Click on the image to add it to the whiteboard and drag and drop it where you want. Copy the second prompt, go back to Canva, clear the first prompt, and paste it here. Click here to generate. Click on the image to add it to the whiteboard and drag and drop it where you want. Add all the images you like to the whiteboard, because every time you generate a new image, you'll lose the previously generated images. Let's try the third prompt. Lily sitting under the tree. Repeat this process for all the scenes you want to generate. Using the whiteboard gives you enough space to save all the images you like and compare them, but it doesn't allow you to download each image separately. To download the images you like, copy the image, go to Canva homepage, then click here to create a new design. Select custom size, enter the size you want, and click create. Paste the copied image here. Select the second image you like, add a new page, and paste it here like this. Repeat the process for all the images you want to download. Once you're done, click here, click download, make sure all the images are selected, and then click here. You'll get a zipped file with all the generated images. That's it guys, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.